Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. As you can tell by the thumbnail, it is time for the June 2021 Cocotique unboxing. Yes, this is a fabulous beauty, self-care, and wellness company. It is a monthly subscription that I unbox and share with you all each and every month. Be sure to tune in to catch the full unboxing, and I'll showcase all the details of all the goodies that I received this month in this box. If you enjoy this type of commentary, please feel free to thumbs up the video, share the video, comment down below, and go ahead and subscribe. It is free 99 after all. It doesn't cost you anything. Until next time, stay safe out there, stay encouraged, and I'll see you around in these YouTube streets. Peace.